Hi everyone, and welcome to the WPForms 1.7.3 update. We've got some new, exciting features to talk about today, so let's dive right in. Our first brand new feature is form revisions. With the new form revisions feature, WPForms will now automatically save your form editing history, thus allowing you to access previous versions and edits of your form and restore them if you'd like. You can now access your form revisions by clicking on the new widget on the bottom left corner of the form builder. You'll then see a revisions thread, starting with your most current version and any previous revisions that exist in chronological order. You can select from any of the previous revisions and either restore it or go back to the current version in the form builder. If you choose to restore it, you can then edit the form as you see fit. And if you save it, it will then become the newest and most current version of your form. The form revisions feature helps you not only keep track of your editing history, but can prevent frustrating situations where you may have accidentally made a change and want to go back. It also offers you more flexibility when trying out different form configurations, allowing you to switch back and forth between versions. Our second new feature is Forms Trash. Previously, WPForms only offered a delete option on the Forms Overview page to remove a form. If a form was deleted, it was deleted forever without any way of restoring it. Instead of the delete option beside each form, you'll see a trash option. If you click on it, the page will be refreshed, and a notice above the table will appear, letting you know that the form was successfully moved to the trash. In Trash View, you'll see two options for your forms: Restore and Delete Permanently. Clicking on the Restore option will move the form back to the All Forms Overview page, and a notice will appear above the table, letting you know that your trashed form has been successfully restored. If you decide to click Delete Permanently while in Trash View, an overlay will appear asking if you're sure you'd like to delete the form. A notice will then appear letting you know that your form has been successfully deleted. Both views now have bulk actions available. In All Forms view, you can select multiple forms and send them to the trash in a single action. In Trash View, you can restore or permanently delete multiple forms all at once. The 1.7.3 update also contains new quality of life updates. Exported entries will now have an entry status column that will indicate statuses such as completed, abandoned, or partial. The export entries and form template export functions now offer a search bar, allowing you to quickly locate the data you'd like to export from WPForms to your computer. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, which has step-by-step written instructions for all of our features and add-ons. If you need any extra technical help, you can always go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.